Hey guys, Jono here from Ecommerce SEO. What is the best blogging strategy for Shopify? Just quickly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button or head on over to our private Facebook group, link in the description. And plenty of great discussion going on over there about Shopify SEO. So we have a pretty simple method, but it's a strategy on how we actually use our blog within our Shopify store. So some people like to have their blog on a subdomain, maybe on a WordPress site. We like to keep our blog a lot of the times on the Shopify site itself. You have that domain power and that domain authority that's already there within your core domain. Sometimes when you move your blog to a subdomain, you've got to build up all that authority. Even though the subdomain is part of the core domain, we find that keeping the blog on the subdomain is more beneficial. Even though Shopify is not ideally set up for blogging, if you make sure your basic foundational on-page SEO for your blog and your blog setup is correct, then they rank just fine. Now, if you've been following any of our videos, you know we focused first of all, obviously, heavily on getting our site structure and our on-page set up correctly, and then we use our off-page strategies to power up and help those pages rank that we want within our Shopify store. So this is essentially our very simple blog setup. It's simple. We don't make it too complicated. There can be other bits and pieces we do, but this is basically the foundation where we start off with each blog. So let's say we want to rank a collection page, and this can work with product pages as well. But if you followed any of our videos, we like to rank collection pages for a number of different reasons, which I won't go into here. But you can help rank collection pages with the extra content we add and the way we use our schema, etc. So we like to rank collection pages. So let's say this is a collection page we want to rank, and you might have 10 collection pages within your store. Essentially, then what we go and do, we use data. So we use our tools like Ahrefs, Keywords Everywhere, Answer the Public, which is really good for finding information on what people are looking for on a particular topic. And we segment out 3 separate blog posts that are relevant to our main topic, and ensuring that those blog posts, people are actually wanting to look for that content. So they're wanting to maybe find answers for that particular theme or that particular topic, or they're literally searching for a keyword. And then we write our articles in the right way, using all our same on-page setup, using tools like Surfer SEO to create content that is optimized as best we can, and then we publish that content on our blog post. So we'll do that. We'll essentially create 3 articles around this core topic, and these, what you would call maybe pillar articles, or supporting articles, supporting this collection page. And so what you end up getting is a pseudo silo type structure. It's not a silo structure that's vertical. It's a silo structure that interlinks between these 3 blog articles and then back to the collection page. So you can see here, these arrows are obviously our interlinking between the blog articles and then back to the collection page. So you create essentially a closed network of these blog articles back to our collection page. Now, this doesn't mean it's entirely closed. We might have external links from our blog articles out to an external authority site. We may interlink between our segmented blog articles to another collection if we feel it's relevant. So we're not totally closing off this silo just for this collection page, because you can help other collection pages rank in the same process. But this is the basic setup we start with. And then making sure our anchor text is correct between the blog articles and then back to the collection page. So once we've got that, then what we'll also do is go and syndicate these blog articles out with RSS. So we'll use it using our co-citation strategy, which we've been through in the past. We might RSS syndicate out to Web 2.0, so Blogger, etc., which is a really good one to start with because it's an actual Google property. And make sure it's all tied in together with our social properties, etc. And so when we write, we do it that way, and we create a new blog article on any particular collection. We syndicate out to that blogger content automatically, or that blogger blog automatically. So once we've got that set up, then we can actually use our off-page strategies to push these articles and actually build strength and authority to these articles, which flow through and then start to help rank our collection pages. We've done this time and time again. It works really well. There's a lot of work in writing the content and doing it correctly, but you use this setup and you do it for all your collections, and you start pushing that power from your off page, and you start to rank your collection pages really well. So just wanted to go through this very quickly. That's our foundation setup. We tweak it a little bit depending on the market, depending on what sort of site it is, but this is a really good place to start to use content to help you rank your Shopify pages. Okay, thanks. See you in the next video.